Students have access to thousands of eBooks and audiobooks through MackinVIA, our Learning Commons platform for digital reading content. First of all, head to your school's website, where you will find the Learning Commons channel. Navigate to Books, eBooks, and Audiobooks. MackinVIA is the platform that students use to access the eBooks and audiobooks from the Shakopee School's library collections. Students and staff first type in the name of their school and then log in with their district credentials. One way students can browse is by looking at titles within the categories they are interested in. The titles can be sorted in a variety of ways, and students can choose this view with the descriptions, or they can just browse by the covers. Above the book icon, students can see if the book is available or currently checked out. If a student wants to check out a book, they simply click on Checkout, and the resource will appear in the Checkout section of their profile at the top. For books that are currently checked out, students can just click on Request and they'll be added to a waitlist. If students aren't quite ready to commit to a book, they can build a wish list by clicking on Add to Favorites. Then the book will be added to their favorites list at the top of their profile. For the books that students check out in MackinVIA, the books have a loan period of 14 days, but they can renew the books as many times as they wish. The books are returned automatically at the end of the loan period, so students will want to keep an eye on the time they have left, so someone else doesn't check out the book that they're in the middle of. A helpful courtesy is for students to manually return digital books if they finish before the end of the loan period, so other students can access them. Titles with the headphone icon are audiobooks. Students check these books out the same way they check out eBooks. And the audiobooks are not simply text-to-speech, they're narrated by voice actors.
Yes. There is a witch in the woods. There has always been a witch. Will you stop your fidgeting for once? My stars, I have never seen such a fidgety child.
Aside from browsing by category, students can look just at eBooks or just at audiobooks. They can also use the search bar at the top. As a teacher, you may be interested in some of the more advanced search features. Using the limiter for the reading level or the Lexile range may come in handy, along with taking a look at books that are available in languages other than English. When you click on More, you may want to restrict your search to only single-user or multi-user ebooks. Single-user ebooks means that one student can access the book at a time, just like a hard copy book. Multi-user ebooks means that an unlimited number of students can access the book at once. Students with school iPads can access MackinVIA on the MackinVIA app that is available in self-service. Most students already have this app downloaded. Students with school MacBooks can access MackinVIA either on their computer from the Learning Commons channel of their school website or on any device with internet. Students can also download what they're reading or listening to from MackinVIA to their device so they don't need Wi-Fi to enjoy what they've checked out. If you have any questions about MackinVIA or any of your students are having a hard time accessing MackinVIA, please don't hesitate to reach out to us with questions.